evening sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta sa aming Christmas party, Ugarte Cars Manila Christmas Party. Suportahan niyo po kami sa susunod na taon at salamat at tayo ay mas naging fulfilling for this year 2023.
Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make.
Merry Christmas, Ugarte Cars. Maraming salamat, Sir Lloyd, Ma'am Chin, sa food. Napakasarap. At sana'y malasing nyo kami. Merry Christmas po.
Hello, good evening. Merry Christmas, Ugarte Cars. Maraming salamat, Tol Lloyd, Ma'am Chin. Happy kami ngayon. Happy tayo lahat. God bless all. Thank you, love you.
Merry Christmas sa Ugarte Cars, Manila. Maraming salamat sa boss namin, kay Sir Lloyd, kay Ma'am Chin. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Hi, Ugarte Cars. Thank you for all the opportunities and for all the lessons I've learned, all of the months that I stay here. Congratulations for your success. Thank you.
Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. Days are filled with wonder, this time with one another. We only get this once a year, and now it's here, yeah. It feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. Feels like Christmas. Oh, yeah.
And thank you very much for celebrating with us. And sana next year, galingan pa natin. Lahat tayo, salamat sa suporta nyo. Bangko, Insurance, Dealer Partners, yung bumubuo, Trading Partners, Ugarte Cars Team, thank you very much. Magkita-kita ulit tayo next year. Sana mas gumanda pa lalo. May mga magiging additional tayo na grupo or kasama. And cheers tayo. Yeah, thank you. Ingat.